What are we doing today, old man?
Do some motor stuff.
Hey guys, this is what we're working with today. We're putting some new stuff on our engine.
So we gotta put this on the front. That holds your power steering and your alternator. We're gonna throw this little pulley on. Actually, there's two pulleys. And I got you a brand new alternator. Look at that. It's a Night Rider edition.
Cool.
Actually, it's not new. I just painted it. I don't even know if it works. This was a junkyard motor.
Yeah.
So it could have been underwater for all I know. But we'll try it. Save me 200 bucks. Hopefully it works. You put the intake back on?
Yeah. The intake.
Is that better?
Yeah.
That's awesome. That's better.
Swing!
I didn't know that lift plate would fit under there. Check it out. It fits. We might as well just leave it there because this engine's going to have to come out again when we put the steering on. We're just going to try to get all this accessory drive, alternator and everything up on the front here. So we make sure we have clearance for everything. Because in a month, our front steering's coming. So I want to have all this in there. We got to put it in and then take it out. Fun. You know what else? I found our missing water pump bolt too. Remember last time we didn't have them all?
Yeah.
I stole one off your brother's engine. Don't tell him. He's only 9, he doesn't need one yet. Alright, that's good. That one's done. You don't remember how this goes?
No.
You're the one that took it apart.
Am I? I don't remember.
Remember?
No,
Here,
I don't.
put this down for now. Like that. 1, 2, and then down here. Oh, pull it out a little bit. Pull it back. Out. There you go. Okay, now back. There's the thread. Can you spin it? Can you thread it? Righty tighty. That looks cool. And then I think there's one more down here somewhere. That sucks. Hold on, hold on.
What?
The bolt. Right here. So we gotta take it all back apart, run the bolt in, and then bolt it down.
Oh, God. You have to take
Yeah.
it all apart again.
Yeah. So, bummer. We're learning. It's almost like this engine doesn't belong in this frame. Yeah, I hope that power steering pump fits. You got it? Give me a It's not tight enough unless you hear it go What the hell is all that? It's just a mount for the... Yeah, a power steering down there, alternator. There's a little idler pulley here.
So where did this
Yeah.
go?
That takes some stand over here, dude. Yeah, I can get other brackets for them. It's just fucking nickel and diming me here.
Yeah.
I'm hoping this works. See if that'll fit through there, dude. Just try to can you push it all the way through? There you go. Alright, I'll do this one.
Uh-oh.
Now it's back. Put the beer away.
Put your wiener snitch away.
Yeah, no more wiener jokes. Getting it?
Yeah, I got the first one.
What's up, E? Where you been?
I just ate a couple Tostitos.
We're almost done, man. All the hard work's done. Where's your house wolf?
Oswald.
Is she here? Did you lose her? I hear.
In here.
What do you think of the fronty?
Did you guys put extra tape? I told you to stop putting extra
I
tape.
put tape over top of stuff because I don't want things like here, here, here,
Oh, Link's
and
gonna
then
Buzz Lightyear.
who? Link?
Yeah.
Oh, what's up, buddy? Cousin's here. What are you up to, man? All right, thanks for the help. See you later, Buzz. I don't remember how this goes together, do you?
No.
That looks right, don't it?
Yeah, it does.
I'm missing a bolt.
Are we?
Yeah, hold on. Lots of bolts.
We're missing a boat. Don't drop it.
It's as bad as you. You gotta... Did you drop it?
No.
Is it because I didn't say don't drop it yet?
Yeah.
Grab that throttle body. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Yep. They're a little bit greasy. Don't drop them. Don't let that go, okay? Spark plug. We're doing spark plugs, man. Right there. You dropped it, and I caught it. Don't drop it. Drop it. I don't drop things, you drop things. You see where you get it from?
Yeah.
Me?
Uh-huh.
There, man. Tight. 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 Alright, one more thing. You wanna do this?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it goes, yeah, right there. You get it started? Yeah, you got it started.
Yeah.
Now, right here. Send it home.
Yeah, it's pretty tight.
Got it? Tight like a tiger?
Yep.
That's about it, man. That is all I have for parts today. So we got to track down the thermostat, and I had the power steering pump. It's over there. I need to clean it, and we have to put a valve in the power steering pump because these LS pumps, the pressure's too strong for a Mustang 2 rack and pinion, so it'll end up blowing the seals out. So I have to modify that pump for a little bit lower PSI. So we'll do that next time. That's something we'll work on. You ready? Wanna go play with your cousins?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See you next time, guys.
See you, citizen.